Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invest your HSA on HealthEquity. If you want to grow your health saving instead of letting it sit in cash, this video is for you. Before you invest, HealthEquity usually requires you to keep a minimum cash balance in your HSA. This amount varies by plan, so check your amount first. Open the HealthEquity app, log in with your username and password from your dashboard tab or click investment. This section shows your available investment option and your current cash balance. Equity offers different funds such as index fund, mutual fund, targeted date fund. Tap a fund to see details like risk level and performance. Choose one that fits your comfort level. Enter how much money you want to invest. Make sure you keep the requested cash balance. Confirm the transaction. Your money will move from cash to investment. You can check your investment anytime under investment. You can also rebalance or move money back to cash if needed. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.